Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Bro. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to create a category in blog post. For that I need to log into my WordPress. From dashboard, go to post and select categories. In here we have add new category. Write a name for category. Let me write WordPress. And keep it empty. No parent category. I don't want to add any description. Add new category. So the category is here. Now let's go to post. Let's edit this post. We can add category from here. For this I need to go to here. Here I have two categories. I will click on WordPress and unclick this update. It is updated. Let's view this page. You can see here that we have our category WordPress. This is how you can add a blog post category. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.